welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be trying to make Kicha Fitfit. It's an Eritrean breakfast. Like Haben has made it for us a lot of times and I've seen her make it, but I've never tried making it, and right now she's not here and I really kind of want it. But so I'm going to try and make it, even though yeah, so I watched a video. I watched a YouTube video about on how to make it, so let's just go and try and make it. So I'm not going to be following exactly what I saw in the video. I'm going to follow mostly on what I see happen do. Yeah, that's it. So let's go and try make this food. Okay, so first we're going to be making the, what is it called? Kicha, which is the bread, which all I kept is flour. And that's it. Flour, water, and a bit of salt if you want. I heard you cannot, if you don't want to keep salt, you just don't keep it, but I'm gonna put a little bit of salt. So that's it. Let's put the salt. I think that's enough. Not making that much anyways. Water. Okay, so I'm gonna be using my hand. I kept I don't know, I'm just eyeballing it. I kept flour and a pinch of salt, and now I'm putting the water. I'm gonna be using my hand because it's, I don't know, easier. The dough needs to be a thick consistency. So, oh my god, I think I kept too much water. This is already starting not so great. Okay, I didn't. Okay, I didn't put a lot of water. I need a little bit more. Okay, so apparently as she's mixing that, she's turning on the stove. So, let's do that. Okay guys, so I think that's hot enough. This is what it looks like right now. So she actually she kept it. I've actually not looked. I've not been watching Habib when she's like making the bread part. So she just like kept it there. Then put a lid on it. Oh my god! done. That's how it looks. So next is I'm supposed to put this chili, and I'm also supposed to put ghee, which is like their butter, like homemade butter or something, which Haben has some of that, but it's in her room and she's not here. So what are we gonna do? I'm gonna just put normal butter. Like, you know, it's like their ghee is like samli. Like, you know, the smell of it is so nice. Like, I feel like that's what makes it smell and taste good. So I don't know how it's gonna taste without it, but we're gonna do what we're gonna do. So in the video, this person she like broke it in like pieces, but Haben usually doesn't do that. She uses like this cup and like smashes it around. So that's what I'm gonna do, cause well, that's what Haben does. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna, instead of the butter, I'm gonna put a little bit of oil, cause I think it's needed, maybe, I don't know. But yeah, that and the chili I have. So yeah, let's see. Let's try and do this. Actually kept she broke it first, then kept the butter. What happened usually keeps the butter, then breaks it. So you follow the person you trust, right? And Haben, I'm trusting you, so I hope yours is the right one. My food. I want you to try to see your reactions.
Okay. We're not being put in the video.
Yes,
right?
you are. I didn't put that much. I kept one spoon.
I can see.
I kept one spoon.
Where is water using?
Water is here.
It's not, it's just that it doesn't have the game.
Yeah, that was also.
Eritrean already. From now on, we are Eritrean.
I'm not Eritrean. She did a cross from me. It doesn't have ghee because of you, Haben. You're just giving me your keys.
I don't know, she was just saying key, you know. I'm like,
Key, you know.
why are you eating a lot? No, I actually like it.
It's like we made the chapati dough thingy, right? Okay, so Nelly is also trying. It has chili. Just know that. There's water there.
It tastes wonderful. I haven't tasted the chili yet though.
Really? The whole thing has chili. That's where it gets the color from. It's just like a type of bread with like chili.
No.
It's nice? Oh.
Very.
So they liked my food, guys. You guys can eat actually. I was joking, I actually did eat.
Another one. One more.
Hi Benny on the video.
Play.
These girls are obsessed with, what's that game called? Ludo. So that's it for the video, guys. If you liked, comment down below what you guys want. Like, comment, share.